Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are going to discuss about how to track a user's activity using CloudTrail. So CloudTrail is a service provided by AWS which lets us track a users activities across AWS ecosystem. So it can be on the SDKs, it can be on the AWS Cloud console, certain APIs, etc. So whatever is done across the entire AWS ecosystem, that can be tracked with respect to user using CloudTrail service. Alright, so we will, in this video today, what we are going to do is we are going to create a CloudTrail instance. We will create after creating the CloudTrail instance, we are going to we are going to track the user's activity. For example, for today's example, we are going to create an S3 bucket, and we are going to delete that S3 bucket. And after that, we will look at the CloudTrail instance to see that activity. Once we have confirmed that we are able to track a user's activity, after that we will delete the CloudTrail instance. All right, so let's get started. As you can see on my screen, I am already on the AWS console, and the service that I am interested in is CloudTrail. All right, so I am clicking on CloudTrail, and the page is loading. All right, now to create a CloudTrail instance, I can click on create a trail, and I will give it a name, test trail. All right, management events test trail. All right, so you can see over here there is this log bucket and folder name is also generated. Basically what will happen is, once we create a CloudTrail instance, the CloudTrail will also create a bucket. Okay, and it will be the name that you see over here will be the bucket of the name, will be the name of the bucket. Click on the create bucket, create trail, and wait for it to get created. Now, as you can see over here, the trail instance is created, and the corresponding bucket in which the logs will be there will get generated, is also generated along with it. Now we are ready to track the user's activities. Now what we will do is we will create, so the user which is logged in will create an S3 bucket and will delete the S3 bucket. So let's go to S3 service. The S3 service page is getting loaded, and it is still loading. All right. So the bucket which was created along with the CloudTrail instance is showing up over here. All right, so it is important to know about this bucket because our logs will be generated inside this bucket only. All right, so we are on the Amazon S3 bucket dashboard. We are going to create a bucket. We will give it some random name, and we will keep everything to default. All right, the bucket that we wanted to create is now created. Now what we will do is we will delete this bucket and wait for this bucket to get deleted. We will have to give the name of this bucket to confirm the deletion of this bucket. The bucket is deleted. Now if you click on the bucket which was created along with the CloudTrail instance, inside this you will be able to see the logs, and those logs will ideally have the information about the user action. So right now you don't see it over here. It takes some time to get the data inside this instance, so we will have to wait. Okay, in the meanwhile you can do some stuff. You can grab a coffee, you can make a call, you can check on your children how they are doing, etc. So we'll just wait. All right, as you can see on my screen, so since we have deleted the bucket, what we are going to do is we are going to go inside the CloudTrail's logs, it takes some time to generate the logs. All right, so we'll go inside the AWS logs, then this number, then CloudTrail. Then as of according to this video, the region I'm in right now is AP South 1, which is Bombay. I will go to the current year, current month, the date, and here I can see that there is some data is generated. I will download this data, and I'm going to use this. So basically what happens is we get a JSON formatted logs file. What we are going to do is we are going to open this file. We are going to open this file, and all right, the file is getting opened. All right, so this file we will inspect on this website, JSON editor online. So this is basically the JSON format, and here all the user activities are tracked. Okay, for example, user identity, root. So you can see over here all whatever activities a user has done is tracked over here under user identity. Whatever, for example, get bucket encryption is over here, and other so many activities, whatever the user has done is tracked over here. Create bucket, for example. So you can see all that whatever the user has done will be shown in this JSON file. So now we have confirmed that all the users activity is getting tracked. Now what we need to do is, we have the POC is done. What we will do is we will delete the CloudTrail instance, because now our tutorial is done. So let's delete the CloudTrail instance. All right, CloudTrail instance is deleted. Now we just need to go to buckets. So the bucket which was created by the CloudTrail instance is not deleted. So first, before deleting the bucket, we have to empty it. All right, so give the name of the bucket to permanently delete. All right, sorry, no. We have to click on permanently delete. We have to write permanently delete, and now the data, all the information in this bucket is emptied. Now we have to delete the bucket. We have to give the name of the bucket. To confirm, click on delete bucket. All right, so bucket is deleted. Now the CloudTrail instance is deleted, and the bucket is also deleted. So we will not get any bills. So in today's video, we created a CloudTrail instance. And we set up the tracking of the user activities. After that, we created a S3 bucket. We deleted the S3 bucket. Then we went to the CloudTrail bucket to look at the logs to track the user activity. We looked at the user activity. After confirmation, we deleted the S3 bucket, which was created along with the CloudTrail instance. We deleted the CloudTrail instance so that we don't get any bills. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you and bye.